Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can lock an app on Ultrahuman uh, app. Ultrahuman Ring continuously monitor your heart rate, movement, and skin temperature. If you fall asleep during the day for more than 15 minutes, the ring will usually catch it passively. Um, but if you don't find it right here in this information right here. What you can basically do is let's head over back to main screen and scroll down right here to the timeline, and right here we have add a tag. So click on that one, and now we can search for a nap, for example. So as you can see, we have a nap day, and we can add this nap day here. Um, Now, yeah, but surely if you take a nap, you will find it some right over here. It will be this information when you fall asleep during the day. So yeah, this is pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.